After more than 300 hours of sitting, we've determined 9 of the best office chairs money can buy. And starting the list at number 1 is the Herman Embody chair, our editor's choice and best office chair for back pain. The Embody's back has something called a dynamic matrix of pixels that is designed to stimulate your body's blood and oxygen flow simply by reducing the pressure on your body when seated. Number 2 is the Steelcase gesture chair, the best ergonomic office chair. After a study of 2,000 people in 11 countries, Steelcase has developed a chair that suits the needs of not just any person, but any device. Number 3 is the Steelcase Leap chair, best home office chair. Using something called live lumbar technology, which flexes with your body's movements, the Leap is a cut above the average office chair. Number 4 is the Ergo Human High Back Mesh chair, the best executive office chair. The Ergo Human chair is specifically designed for those that will be seated for more than 5 hours a day, and it can be adjusted in a variety of ways. Number 5 is the Herman Aeron office chair, the best mesh office chair. It provides excellent support, creating that magical S in your back, and all the while offers exceptional adjustability. Number 6 is the Locust chair and workstation from Focal. The Locust combines a chair and, if so desired, a standing desk. The result is the ideal position, as it's helpful standing half-sitting, allowing for more motion throughout the day, which is helpful for blood circulation. Number 7 is the Freedom Task Chair, the best leather office chair. It has a fairly high price tag, but with it comes a task chair that is designed to automatically adjust to its user's weight, using a set of internal mechanisms that negate the need for manual controls. Number 8 is the Amazon Basics MidBack Mesh chair, the best budget office chair. Don't balk at this chair because of its price of $69.99. It's very highly rated by Amazon customers, scoring 4.5 stars. Number 9 is the IKEA Marcus chair, the best office chair under $200. This chair has been applauded as an exceptionally comfortable chair, is height adjustable.